Congress MP Rahul Gandhi, you heard him just about a while back here on India Today. He, along with party leaders Ghulam Nabi Azad and Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, met President Ramnath Kovind at Rashtrapati Bhavan. They submitted a memorandum. The Congress delegation sought the intervention of the President to resolve the farmers' agitation. After meeting the President, Rahul said that opposition stands with the farmers and the protesting farmers will not stop the demonstration until laws are repealed. On your screens right now are the multiple attacks, the sharp attacks that were made by Rahul Gandhi against the centre. On your screens at the moment, news flash just coming in. Rahul has further stated that anybody who tries to go against the centre is being branded as terrorist and as an anti-national. Earlier, Rahul Gandhi was denied permission by the Delhi police to hold a march to Rashtrapati Bhavan. The Delhi cops denied permission, citing Section 144 and COVID curbs imposed in the national capital because of the pandemic. Cops also referred to the standing order of the Supreme Court of holding large gatherings in the national capital.
कुछ दिन पहले ऑपोजिशन पार्टीज के लीडर्स के साथ गए और अब हम कांग्रेस पार्टी के जो सीनियर लीडर्स हैं उनके साथ गए। राष्ट्रपति से हमने कहा कि ये जो कानून बनाए गए हैं ये किसान विरोधी कानून है और इससे किसानों का ज़बरदस्त नुकसान होने वाला है, मजदूरों का, किसानों का। सरकार ने कहा था कि ये कानून किसान के फायदे के हैं और देश को दिख रहा है कि किसान कानून के खिलाफ खड़ा हुआ है। और मैं प्रधानमंत्री जी से कहना चाहता हूं कि ये किसान हटेगा नहीं। प्रधानमंत्री को ये नहीं सोचना चाहिए कि किसान और मजदूर घर चले जाएंगे, नहीं जाएंगे। जब तक ये कानून वापस नहीं लिया जाएगा, जॉइंट सेशन कीजिए और कानून को एकदम वापस लीजिए, क्योंकि किसान वापस नहीं जाने वाला है। विपक्ष की सब पार्टियां किसानों के साथ, मजदूरों के साथ खड़े हैं और खड़े रहेंगे। जिस प्रकार से ये कानून पास किया गया वो भी बिल्कुल गलत था। बिना डिबेट किए, बिना किसानों से चर्चा किए, बिना मजदूरों से पूछे ये कानून ऊपर से थोप दिए गए हैं और इन कानूनों को हटाना ही पड़ेगा, विड्रॉ करना ही पड़ेगा।
Anand Patel is joining us live. Anand, Rahul Gandhi going on to say that the government cannot take criticism, and he's gone ahead and said that the nation is suffering, made an appeal to the president to talk to the Prime Minister about repealing the 3 farm laws, which he says must be repealed, otherwise the farmers' protest is going to continue. Not just that, Priyanka Gandhi was detained by the cops, now has been released. Anand?
Well, Chaiti, 3 big takeaways from what Rahul Gandhi said here, briefing the media after meeting the president and submitting a memorandum to him. One, that the Congress party completely backs this agitation and has appealed to the agitating farmers that they are firmly behind them and they should not end their agitation as long as the government doesn't repeal the 3 laws. Second, Rahul Gandhi has said that the charges which are being leveled on the opposition parties, that they are instigating this agitation and the farmers are Khalistani and terrorists. Rahul Gandhi clearly said that, whosoever protests against the government, whosoever tries to go against the policies of the Narendra Modi government is brandished as a terrorist, and that is nothing new. And also, he made a point that these 3 farm laws are not in favor of the farmers, but the government is trying to help the crony capitalists, which they have been supporting all out over the past 6 years. So clearly, Rahul Gandhi launching a full-scale attack against the Modi government over these 3 farm laws after meeting President Ramnath Kovind. Remember, he met President earlier this month as well with the delegation of senior opposition leaders. In that also, the opposition party leaders had requested the president to intervene into the matter. Today again, Rahul Gandhi saying that since nothing happened out of that meeting, again the Congress party has met the president and has submitted the 2 crore signatures of the farmers from entire country. Remember,
Yes.
When the laws were passed, the Congress party has launched an all-India campaign, nationwide campaign to collect signatures of the farmers who are against the laws. So today, those copies were to be transported here. They were stuck at the AICC, but the Congress party made a point that they have met 2 crore farmers who are against these laws, and it's time the president intervenes, because in this biting cold in the winter season, the farmers are sitting at the borders under open skies, agitating against the three farm laws, and it's high time that the president takes a note and intervenes in the matter.
We'll wait and watch to see how the president reacts to this, but Rahul Gandhi has gone ahead and submitted that memo to the president, registered the protest, submitted the 2 crore signatures as well. Thanks, Anand, for joining us with the very latest details.